Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we'll be discussing with you how to use Love Spouse app. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to start using the Love Spouse remote connection app here, well, this one is quite easy. So first things first is you want to download the app. So I'm assuming you already did that. Let's go and click on open. Now, the first thing that you want to do is, in order for you to use or fully use the features here, you need to create your account. So you want to go and click on the next step, and click on complete. Now, from here, click on sign up. And you want to go and just provide the necessary details. That includes your email address and the password that you want to use in here. So let's go and provide those details and click on register. Now, next is they will ask you for your birth year, so you can go and just add your nickname here, change the birthday, and your gender, and just click on next step. Now, once you've created your account, this is what you should be seeing. Now, by default, you have 4 options that you are able to use inside the app. So, in this case, the first section here, which is the homepage, is an option for you to start adding devices. Now, in order for you to start adding devices, just click on either the add device I see at the center top of your screen, or you could go and click on the plus toys at the top right of the screen and just basically scan the code that came with your toy. Now, once you've scanned that, that will bind that specific device into your account. Now, again, you just need to scan the code that came with your toy, and that will be added to your account. Now, if you click on the globe or the world or community section here, it should allow you to start picking up or sending. In this case, if you want to interact with the community, this is how you do it. And also, if you want to see your messages, your interactions, system notifications, world messages, or even community notifications, this is how you do it. Now, if you click on the person icon that you see at the bottom right of your screen, you should be able to see your profile. So if you want to start adding or like for example seeing your settings, changing a few details about yourself, you can go and just click on your account, click on the pencil icon at the top right here to update your details. Now, in this case, if you click on the gear icon at the top right here, you now have the option to change a few things, like change the appearance of the app, permissions, instruction manual if you want to learn more about the app, even use the blacklist functionality. So if you've blacklisted someone, and if you want to change the language settings here, if you want to go and do that, and if you want to change your account and security, you can go and click on account and security. But yeah, so those are the basics in order for you to get started in using the Love Spouse app here. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.